So we are here in the landing page for the admin user. So we need to sign in as admin. So our password is password 345. Okay, log in. So first thing first, we need to make a we need to configure a role for groupings and permission. So this is the agent panel. The You can see here the ticket we need to solve, and then as you can see here in the upper right, there's an admin panel. You can also click that so that we can create a new role, admin panel. So next is go to admin panel and then agents, and then roles. As you can see here, there are different roles. There's a view only role, limited access role. For the limited access role, if you can see the permission of it, there are checks, but not he cannot access the whole permissions for the task and the acknowledge base. So we will make a role that is can access all the permissions. So we will add new role, and then we will name it supreme role, supreme admin. Add role. Oh shoot, permissions. Let's check everything for the task and also for acknowledge base. Pre-made ability to add, update, disable, delete canned responses. Add role. So here we created the supreme admin. As you can see, if you click that and see the permissions, he can access anything for this role. So that's it.